Hello, business owners. Whether you are a real estate agent, mortgage broker, butcher, baker, or candlestick maker, if you're trying to promote your business online, this video is for you. I've been using blogging to promote my business since back in 2008. I like to say that I was blogging before it was cool. In my time, I've written over 1,000 blog posts to promote my real estate service, and in those early years, it worked marvelously. I was probably the only real estate agent in my market who was blogging back then, churning out tips for home buyers, sellers, and owners regularly. Google loved me. But that was then. This is now. Google no longer thinks 500-word posts are valuable. They demand 1,500, 2,000, or even more words in order to give you the love and attention you need. Plus, increased competition from other agents in my niche makes it even harder for my posts to get noticed. What to do? You can spend more and more time researching and writing in-depth blog posts. But you and I have a business to run as well. We are not professional bloggers. Or we can spend hundreds of dollars for someone to write these posts for us. There has to be a better way. A few months ago, I started experimenting with AI writing tools. Over time, I looked at about a dozen different tools in assorted price ranges. From free to expensive, here is what I learned. I learned that I needed the AI writing tool to have the following features. 1. The ability to generate an outline that I can change. I don't just want the AI to decide what the article is about. I want to guide it to produce quality content that will actually help readers. 2. The ability to show and adjust the keywords within the article. Similar to the first point, I'd like the AI to suggest some keywords, but also keep the option to add a few of my own. 3. Connect to the SERPs to draw from real-time and current information. ChatGPT stopped being fed information back in 2021. I want access to more timely and current data. 4. I want it to create a nicely formatted post. No wall of text. I want something that readers find enjoyable to read. Tables, lists, bullet points, bold and italic texts, a key takeaway section, and a conclusion. 5. Wouldn't it be great if the AI also produces blog pictures at the same time? Yes, you can get pictures from a multitude of sources, but having it done at the same time as the blog is being written will save time and effort. These, plus some other features like selecting the tone of voice, the target country, the length of the article, and a few others. So after evaluating the dozen or so programs, I assigned them to 3 groups. Group 1 is platforms which are nearly perfect but very expensive. For the record, my definition of expensive is $50 or $60 per month or even more. The second group is platforms that are more reasonably priced and have a lot of features, but limit the user to creating just 3 or 4 articles per month. Not ideal. The third group is the economical ones, which don't have nearly enough features to serve my needs. This is why I am so happy to promote my choice for best AI writing tool. It's called SEOWriting.ai, and I will have a link in the description along with a 25% off coupon code. SEOWriting.ai has all the previously mentioned features and is priced at an affordable $12 per month on the yearly plan. As I mentioned, you can get another 25% off that with my coupon code. At this price, you get 100,000 words per month or 50 articles, whichever occurs first, but you also have the ability to connect to your OpenAI account and use those words instead. On average, I'll spend $1 for a 3,000-word SEO-optimized article. So please check out the affiliate link and discount code in the description of this video and enjoy what I believe to be the best AI writing tool for the money.